How to set up alerts and notification in Citibank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to stay updated on your Citibank account activity, well here is how to set up alerts and notification from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result, you just need to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you simply have to log in with your account and once logged in from the main dashboard, you can just click on profile in the top menu and then select alerting services or manage alerts. And here you simply have to browse available alert options like balance updates, transaction alerts, bill due reminders, login or security alerts. And there you simply have to select how you want to receive alerts like email, SMS or push notification. So there you simply have to turn on the ones that you want and set your threshold and save your preferences. And that's it. Once you are done with that, now your Citibank alerts is active and set up to keep you informed 24/7. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.